The 2018 Chevy Equinox is a super safe vehicle. It has a backup camera standard across all trim levels. It's really nice. On the MyLink screen, it actually comes up in full color. The other nice thing is on certain trim levels, you have an additional view. Not only do you have a backup camera, you also have a 360 bird's eye view of the entire vehicle. There's a backup camera in the rear, there's a camera in the front, and there's actually two cameras that shoot down from both of the mirrors. Also, there's rear park assist. What that's going to do for you is when you are in reverse, it's going to beep and let you know if there's an obstruction or a car or vehicle in the back. Also, it has lane change alerts on some of the trim levels. What that does for you is on both your driver and your passenger side mirrors, when you go to change lanes, it's going to light up if there's someone in your blind spot on either side. My customers love that when they go on road trips or they have to drive on a highway. It makes driving a lot safer. There's low speed forward auto braking on some trim levels. What that's going to do for you is at low speeds, if there's a pedestrian or someone that walks between cars or at a park or something, automatically going to help you brake the vehicle. There's also forward collision alert. There's 4 radar sensors in the front and 4 in the back. What that's going to do for you is alert you if someone has stopped suddenly in front of you. You can actually toggle the distance. You can make it far, medium, and close. You can do that right here from the steering wheel, makes it super safe. Also, there's lane keep assist, which is new for Chevrolet for the Equinox for 2018. What that's going to do is on highways, either the yellow line or the white line, if there's no turn signal used, it's actually going to help you gently steer the vehicle and stay in line. There's also lane departure warning. At speeds over 30 miles an hour, if I don't signal either to the right or to the left and I happen to cross one of the lines, it's either going to give me an audible alert, or on the certain trim levels of the 2018 Chevy Equinox, there's a safety seat. It's called haptic feedback. What it is a vibrating strip inside the driver's seat. And it actually vibrates on whichever side it senses the hazard is on. There's also rear cross traffic alert to help me when I'm backing up. Anymore in these days in shopping centers or malls, people fly up and down the parking aisles. What that does for you is it actually shoots out radar to both sides of the vehicle. And if it senses movement, it's going to alert you and let you know that there's someone there. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your time and sharing it with us. Again, if you do have any more questions or you're interested about any more of the features of the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox, make sure you click on the links. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's a lot of valuable content on there, and a lot of my customers really like going on there for short 3, 4, 5 minute informative videos that help them get to know their vehicle and its features a little bit better. Again, contact us here at Edwards Chevrolet Cadillac. My name is Lenny. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.